Hi! In this video I would like to show you how to open apps in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Firstly, open any apps, for example Messages, Gallery and YouTube. Then click on the left button and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, the second one and the third one. If you wanna open all of them, just tap on the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!